What's up guys, PurpleGun3603, and today guys I'll be showing you how to draw a bush with a character from Fortnite. I did this before and it actually kind of looks like it was from it. Yeah, let's try. So you just want to draw like a big cloud. Basically like that. And yeah, just draw a bunch of bush lines everywhere. Come on. Gus, are you okay? My grandma's dog just missed the couch. Yeah, there's a bush. Okay. Now you want to draw little squares there. Basically for the legs right there. And you want to draw the feet. Okay. Now we're gonna be drawing the arms, just we have to draw the speech bubble. Like that. Okay. So basically it looks like just a big hairy man right there, huh? You gotta draw the shoe lines there just to make it look like it's actually real. And then, yeah, now you want to erase little parts off for the arm and the pickaxe. So yeah, you want to draw that. So there's one part of the pickaxe. Then you want to draw some hands. Like that. And then, so yeah, you want to make like a fist. Sorry if it's close. Yeah, so you want to make a fist like, basically like that. Next up, draw another fist. Don't make it too big. And then, oops, wrong fingers. Like that. And then like that. And now, I'm going to draw the handle. Probably has to be a little bit bigger than this part right here, but right there. It looks like he's kind of holding it. Another way of doing the hand is, hold on, is going like that. So basically like the thumb has to go like that. But yeah, like I said, I missed school today, so I stayed in home. Well, I missed the bus, and I did have the chance to go to school, but I didn't, so yeah. Okay, like that. And then you want to draw a little rectangle. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. And then draw your pickaxe. Like that. Let's erase the top there. And then shade that in. No, yeah. Now in here, let's just do my signature. Okay. Now you want to write right here saying. Wait, first, actually, you want to draw the ground. I forgot about that. Sorry. It doesn't actually have to be perfect, but at least it's a ground. But yeah. Okay, so you want to write right here saying. You can write whatever saying. There's one drawing that I did stating another game copying PUBG, but I'm gonna write right here saying like he ran right as me in Fortnite. Yes. Four. But yeah, there's the character, the Bowser. Hey Gus. Gus. Hey. Yeah, like I said, make sure to like. I don't know if I said already. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and wait. What about this? Comment your favorite gun in Fortnite, and if you don't, then that's fine. Yeah. Here's how you draw a character from Fortnite in a bush. It's actually pretty easy just to draw. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll do another drawing video later. Peace.